to my channel. My name is Karina Bonaduk, and today I have a bunch of little things to do around the house. I've seen this on TikTok. It's a dryer vent cleaning kit. So you just use it to clean the dryer vent, obviously. So that big hose looking like thing that you have behind your dryer. So I'm gonna try it today because I haven't used it in a while, and I noticed that I get more lint in the, whatever you might call it, you know, the thing that holds the, what is it called, babe?
The lint trap, baby. The
lint trap. Okay, that's what it's called. So we're gonna see how this works. Yeah, you wanna do it too, Halsey? Okay. Oh, and it's very rubbery. It does say to tape, like if you put two extensions together to tape them. I don't think I have any tape available. I'm gonna go look. Kind of like this. Okay. I'm gonna go get some tape. I wasn't gonna tape it first, but it makes sense if you're gonna move it round and round that it will come off. If it's not taped, then you'll lose it in there, and you don't want to do that for sure. So, can you see Halsey? So he gotta know. He gotta know. So I did actually read the instructions this time. It said, unplug dryer and carefully pull away from wall. Where's the plug? Is there only one thing that's plugged, maybe?
For the dryer?
In the whole plug, there's only one.
This is the dryer and the washer use different plugs thingy.
So the regular plug would be the dryer?
No, the regular plug is the washer.
Damn! Dirty. Okay. Why am I still holding this? I don't know. There's so much there. Baby, look. I'm scared. I got it. I got it. I'm in the struggle bus over here. Okay. What do I use to disconnect this vent?
Flathead.
Oh. Can you give me one? It's not super dirty, but there's definitely stuff in there. I'm getting a lot of resistance, like halfway, like not even halfway, so it only went this way and like this much in there. So because I'm finding that resistance, I don't want to poke it, so I'm gonna try to do it from the inside. I just wanted to say that I think this was a little bit extra for me because I didn't have enough in the duct for it to need it to be clean, but you never know until you get there. I'm happy that I cleaned behind the dryer, and you know, if you don't take the lint out from the lint trap every time you use the dryer, then I definitely think you should be doing this. I'm no professional. I just saw this TikToker do it, and I was like, that sounds like something super easy to do. This whole kit was like $12, so you know, do as you will. This came in clutch one too many times. That's not the expression, is it? It's a really good product to have. It was super cheap, and I had it for over 1.5 years, and I still love it. So, and it still works. It still holds the battery. So if you're looking for something cheap and mobile, this sounds like a sponsorship, but I promise you it's not. I just like it. and I think it's useful. And I'm out of breath, oddly, I don't know. That was kind of hard back there because the space was too tiny, but my boyfriend's making faces at me because he happens to install dryers all the time, and I don't appreciate him enough. And I'm probably gonna edit this out. So I only talked about myself for a little bit, no worries. But now it's recording, right? Right, okay. So what happened is this thing in here broke, you know, the one that makes it stay in there, and I don't know why this whole thing stained ugly. So my plumber left me this. So instead I just put it in there, make sure it fits, and then with a screwdriver just turn it. Lefty loosey, right? That's righty tighty.
Were you asking your audience?
I was mostly just talking about myself. The videographer is intervening a lot today. Okay. So should I get a new one of this? Yeah, we'll clean it. Old toothbrush. Some free scrub OxyClean. Okay. I had to buy the whole pack because it didn't have it in black, just for the drain. Ooh, I'm gonna take a bath tonight. I'm excited. I got new sponge bath or whatever it's called. Sponge bath? Bath bubbles. Epsom salts. Did it! Just gonna clean up and then we're gonna move on to the next project. Excuse me, my neighbor's dogs are barking, but you know, there's nothing I can do. I'm about to try to cut the grass in the front yard. I did buy that weed cutter or weed trimmer, whatever it was called, for a few videos back. It was 20 bucks. I did not know that plugged in corded string trimmers slash edgers were so cheap, $29. I still think I can use that tool for like little spots where I have weeds that grow faster than the grass and I don't want to take this whole thing out. And also it has a short string, so I have to have a super long extension cord. So I got this, I don't even know, Amazon probably. Let me show you right here what we're working with. I want to take these out and put them in the back, and then I will cut this rose bush right here. And then the grass is getting pretty out of control. You can't really see my edge right here, so that's what we're gonna do, hopefully before it starts raining. I don't know how it would work to plant another tree on the other side of the house just to make it symmetrical, so I'll just try to look into it. But let's get to it before it starts raining. It's kind of windy and I want to finish this today, so let's go. Me again. I always find all these like weird positions to talk to you guys, but I don't feel like moving the camera again. But we did take a break to go to the beach today, and this is my phone telling me that somebody just stripped my cameras outside. But yeah, we went to the beach and took a break because it's so freaking hot. Like I wanted it to be hot, but I'm kind of tired of it, you know? Like I need it to be like in moderation, and I want to have more time to actually go to the beach to enjoy it. So yeah, anyways, let's get to this grass cutting thing because I've been procrastinating for too long. I look crazy because I got hot. But I finished cutting the grass. I only got one blister. You see it? I don't know if you can see it. So not that bad. And this is how it looks like. The grass is cut. It already feels so much better. And there, I was trying not to show you my car number. Yeah, there we go. Somebody's gonna take Dad to the back in a couple of weeks, so we're not gonna worry about it. I'm just gonna get these in the back. So I'm just gonna stack the bricks in the back because I'm gonna frame with the same kind of the round pattern brick. But I also bought a leaf blower, so I'm about to open it now. It's still from Craftsman. Still the, ow! Did you see that? I always hit myself with things. But it was the cheapest one, and I'm about to unpack it. It would make sense for me to actually do like a little slow motion thing where I unpack and show you guys, but I don't want to set up the camera for that and then set it back up just to show you how this works. So this will have to do. Let's see. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just 2 parts, assuming the writing goes on the same side. Just force it there, because why not? And then plug it. Let's see where the button is. Oh, there it is. Okay, 2 speeds. So yeah, I'm about to go use it. Let's go. Little secret that you probably already know about: before you plug them in, tie them so that way they don't come untied while you're working. There we go. I'm gonna play music back. Let's see. There we go. I'm right back where it started. Well, actually it was the second thing on my to-do list today, but I'm done with the yard. It's really dark outside. I worked way past dark. I only still have this one blister that, can you see it? It's starting to get swollen, whatever. I'm gonna take my nail polish off because it's terrible. Popped on here to say goodbye. I'm about to take a bath. I didn't even start the water yet, but I'm about to, and try that train stopper. Is that what it's called? I already forgot. But yeah, I work tomorrow and I'm tired, so I'm gonna relax and then go to sleep. I hope you guys take care, and I'll see you next time. I need to yawn first.
Huh?
I need to yawn first. I'm gonna try to reach the vacuum. Do the grass. Do the grass. Cut the grass. So you can stop it.